Iceland.
Seabed. The seabed is the bottom of the sea, also known as the sea floor. Some animals will sneak into the seabed to avoid danger. Tube worm. The upper end of the tube worm is a red dragonfly that looks like a red tulip. Some tube worms live a very long time, even as much as 250 years. Deep sea corals. Deep sea corals live so deep in the ocean there is no sunlight. Deep sea corals take in their food from the water. Wow! Dolphin. Dolphins like to live in groups and play in the waves together. Submarine volcanoes. Eruptions from submarine volcanoes form submarine plates, mountains, and islands under the water. There are more than 500 active volcanoes in the world, including nearly 70 active volcanoes on the seabed. Submarine hot springs. Submarine hot springs are hot springs found deep in the ocean. Surrounding temperatures reach 300 degrees Celsius. However, there is still life at such high temperatures.